You really want to speak in English, but you have a fear that you have made in your mind. And the fear just like this: what will other people think about your English? What if I will forget some words in English? What if I will not complete my sentence in English? What if I will do some grammatically mistake in English? So other people will laugh at my English, other people will mock of my English. So because of other people thinking what they are thinking, you are not learning this language. Okay, and this is the barrier, like what other people will think about your English. Okay, and because of this barrier you are not learning this language, but you have a desire inside in your heart, in your mind. And this is a problem. I mean, most of the people are facing this type of problem, like other people, what will other people think about my English? So friends, Jai Shri Ram everyone, welcome back to my channel English with Desi Madam. My name is Rita, and how are you doing guys? I hope you all guys are doing absolutely fine. So friends, in today's video I am going to tell you a motivational story, and believe me, after listening this story you will overcome of this type of fear that you have made in your mind, like what if I will make some mistakes in English, so people will laugh at my English. So without any delay, let's get into the topic. But before going to the topic, it's my humble request to all of you. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, so please do subscribe my channel, because these things gives me boost to create more and more valuable content for you every day. So watch the video right till the end. Don't skip the video, okay friends? So let's get into the topic. So the story goes like this. Once upon a time, there lived a father and a boy's son in a village. One day, they decided to travel to a faraway land with their donkey, because they have a donkey. They packed their belongings and set off of their journey. The journey was long. They had to cross many towns, hills, and deserts to reach their destination. So, father let his son ride the donkey while he walked beside them. When they reached the first town, the people there stared at them and whispered. One of them said loudly, "How rude and disrespectful that young man! He's sitting on the donkey while his old father is walking in the sun. He should let his old father ride the donkey." The father and son heard this and felt embarrassed. The boy got off the donkey and asked his father to ride the donkey while he walked along them. When they reached the second town, the people there also looked at them and talked. One of them said loudly, "How selfish, old man! He's enjoying his ride while his son walks in the heat." Parents always try to give comfort to their children, even they suffer. When the father heard this, he felt embarrassed. So father and son was very embarrassed by hearing this type of thoughts. So after going some distance, father got off the donkey and they both started to walking with the donkey. When they reached the third town, the people there looked at them and said, one of them said loudly, "How foolish these travelers are! They have a donkey, but they don't use it. Then what's the point of having a donkey if they don't ride it?" The father and son heard this and felt stupid again. After going some distance, they decided to both ride the donkey. So they both sat on the donkey and started riding. When they reached the fourth town, the people there saw them and started taunting them. One of them said loudly, "How cruel and abusive these riders! They both burden the poor donkey with their weight. They should spare the donkey some mercy and get off it. The father and son heard this and felt sorry for the donkey. They both got off the donkey. Now, the only reason left to him was to carry the donkey on their back. But that would have been even more awkward. After going some distance, they saw a monk sitting under a tree on the outskirts of the place. The father and son greeted the monk and told him their story. They explained how they had tried to please everyone they met on their way, but they only ended up being criticized and ridiculed. The monk listened to them very patiently and then laughed. Then he said, "My friend, don't bother what people say. It is people's nature to keep criticizing everything. They will always find something to complain about it, no matter what you do. If you listen to them, you will never be happy or satisfied. Therefore, don't bother what people say and do only what you want to do. Do what you think is right and good for you. Follow your own heart and mind, not the opinions of the others. That's the only way to live a true and meaningful life." Now, this is the story. What is the lesson of this story? Now, if we see in our life, we will find that life, always shows us the deep truth that we can't make everyone happy. The story of father and son and their donkey proved this fact very well. Okay? When they traveled, they tried to do what everyone said, but every time they tried to please people, they got new complaint again, which shows that people often say something without seeing the whole picture or being fair. The way to live honestly and happily is not to change ourselves for others, but to be loyal to our own beliefs. Changing ourselves all the times to fit in the others makes us tired and wrong, and we forget who we are. The father and son story and with the monk's advice, which reminds us of an, if we try to make everyone happy, we will lose ourselves. Okay, being true to ourselves and following our own way is the key. Okay, no matter what you do, people will always keep talking and criticizing you. Okay, and if we try to act based on what they say, we will never be satisfied. We should do what feels right to us, not what is popular or expected. We should remember that when people criticize us, it means that we are growing and doing something different. Therefore, always remember, you cannot please everyone. No matter what choices you made, there will always be someone who disappears with you or find faults with you. But instead of trying to meet everyone's expectation, focus on what you believe is right and follow your own path. Okay, because listening to your heart and staying true to yourself leads to a more genuine and fulfilling life. So yes, this is the lesson of this story, and I hope you like this story, and you will find some way how to overcome of this type of criticism that you have a fear that someone will criticize you if you will speak in English. Okay, so that's all I wanted to share with you in this video, and I hope you like my video. If you did so please give it a like to share with your friends and family, and let me know in the comment box how did you like my video, because I love to read your comments. So friends, we will meet you. We will see you in the next video. Till then, Jai Siya Ram.